Hi friends, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to Math Today. Today for math, you'll need your Let's Subtract math activity sheet from your work packet and a pencil. Make sure to grab a pencil and not a crayon in case you need to erase. So go ahead and pause the video and grab the materials that you need. All right, friends, welcome back. As always, we're going to start out with some of our skill practice review, and then we're going to jump right into subtracting. So I know it seems like we're doing this every day, which we are, but we're training our brains as muscles to remember what these are. So all together, let's say our numbers. Here we go. 4, 6, 9, 2, 19, 20, 11, 13, 12, 17, 7, 5, 16, 15, 18, 3, 1, 14, 10, 8. Very good job. All right, kiss your brains over there. Now we're going to take a look at some addition fluency cards. When we say fluency, that means that we're training our brains to know them zippity quick. So when we practice adding, we're practicing putting groups together. What happens when we put groups together? We make them bigger than before, except when we add with 0, then our number stays the same, and that's what we call the rule of 0, right? So for example, when we have the sentence 0 add 1, what's our answer? 1, because it's the rule of 0. Anything that we add to 0 stays the same. Look at this sentence. 1 add 0 equals 1. What do we call these two guys? We just flip-flop the order of the group. They're turnaround facts. Very good. So all we did was switch the 0 and the 1, and we still have the same answer. 1. All right, let's keep going. Ready? 4 add 0 equals 4. 2 add 2 equals 4. 0 add 0 equals 0. 3 add 1 equals 4. 0 add 2 equals 4. What? No, it doesn't. 0 add 2 equals 2. Just making sure you're paying attention. And last one, 2 add 3 equals 5. Very good job. All right. Now, we're going to jump right into our subtracting activity sheet for today. So when we subtract, we know subtracting is the opposite of adding. So if we know that when we add, our number gets bigger, that means that when we subtract, what happens? Our number gets smaller. Can you say that in your smaller voice? Smaller. Good. So subtracting means starting with the whole group, taking some of the things away, and making our number smaller. So we're going to have the same practice skill that we had yesterday on our math activity sheet. So you're going to have 8 different problems that you're going to solve while subtracting, taking away. Okay, notice each problem has a number sentence already there for us. So we have to draw circles in the box next to each sentence to match it. So we're going to do the first one together to remind ourselves of what the steps are, and then I'm going to let you guys practice the rest on your own, okay? So let's read our sentence first. It says 5 take away 5 equals blank. So what is the first step I need to do? I need to draw 5 circles, but make sure when you draw them, some of our friends are drawing them so big and then they lose track of counting them. Make sure to draw them small enough so that they all fit in the rectangle. So I'm going to start with my whole group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I may have drawn too much, or maybe I didn't draw enough, but I'm going to double check myself by counting and marking out at the same time. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I have 5. So I've started with my whole group of 5. Now, how many am I taking away from that group? That's right, 5. So I'm going to X out 5 of them. So count with me as I X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had 5, and I took all 5 away. They all have X's. So do I have any circles to circle as leftovers? No, there aren't any leftovers. So what's my answer? 0. Let's double check ourselves with our fingers. So I have 5, and I take all 5 away. Let's pretend to eat 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just took all 5 away. How many are left sticking up? 0. So 5 take away 5 is 0 left over. Okay? You're going to do the same thing for the rest of your problems. Okay? Make sure to start with your whole group. Take that number away, and then circle your leftovers and write how many you have. Okay? Get it? Got it? Good. All right. Keep up the great work subtracting. You guys have been doing it for a whole month now, so you should be subtracting per rows. So I will see you guys again tomorrow for your next math lesson and more subtracting. Keep up the great work.